In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default footer in your ActiveCampaign emails. This simple yet powerful customization will allow you to personalize your communications and better align them with your branding or messaging needs. So let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. Start by opening the email editor for the specific email where you want to modify the footer. The email editor is the core tool in ActiveCampaign, and it's an intuitive space where you can make all the necessary changes to your email design, including the footer, which is what we'll focus on today. Once you're in the editor, scroll down to the very bottom of your email. You'll want to add a new section followed by a text block. This text block will serve as the foundation for your new footer. By beginning with a blank text block, you give yourself a clean slate to work with, ensuring that your new footer fits seamlessly into the layout of your email. Now that you've added the text block, scroll further down to locate the existing standard footer. The standard footer is automatically included in ActiveCampaign emails, providing basic information and compliance details. What you need to do at this point is to copy and paste the contents of this default footer into the text block you just added. This might seem like a straightforward step, but it's essential because it ensures you retain all the fundamental information while allowing you to modify it creatively. With the content successfully copied over, you can go ahead and delete the old, standard footer. This is a pivotal moment as it gives you the opportunity to make the footer truly yours. Now, in the freshly created footer section, you can start personalizing and customizing the text, adding any additional information or branding elements that you see fit. Whether it's incorporating social media links, adding a unique tagline, or simply tweaking the design to better align with your brand's aesthetics, this is your chance to make the footer not just compliant, but exceptional. And there you have it. After these simple steps, you've successfully replaced the default footer with one that is uniquely your creation. Customizing your email footer in ActiveCampaign not only enhances your email's professionalism, but also personalizes your outreach, helping to build a stronger connection with your audience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're ready to take your emails to the next level with this enhanced feature. Thanks for tuning in, and happy emailing!